Quiet beauty, a storyteller of skies and soil, a nurse by calling, a nurturer by nature. She holds the fragile and the forgotten with steady hands and a listening soul. A maker of beautiful spaces, a keeper of stories, a healer of bodies and souls. Mama. Shaped by storms, she carries the soft strength of many lives. A woman rooted deep in soul and earth. A maker of beautiful spaces, a keeper of stories, a healer of bodies and souls. Mama. The sorrow like wildflowers, pressing it gently between the pages of songs and stories, preserving what once was and what still aches beneath the surface. She creates not to impress, but to remember, to honor the blue hush of evening skies, the scent of rain before it falls, the feel of grass beneath her feet, and the music that stirs the bones awake. A maker of beautiful spaces, a keeper of stories, a healer of bodies and souls. Mama. Find her when they are lost, they speak to her the way the sea speaks to the shore, not loudly, but endlessly. And she listens, she walks this world, tending gardens, hearts, and hidden wounds. I make her beautiful spaces, a keeper of stories, a healer of bodies and souls. Mama. Sacred, where beauty is allowed to breathe, where even the quietest things are seen, held, and loved. She moves through life with gentle grace, carrying both tenderness and strength, finding wonder in painted skies, comfort in growing things, and meaning in the stories others leave behind. Na 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 na. In her presence, the weary find rest, the unheard find a voice, and beauty finds room.